In this video, I'll be sharing you what people like Bill Gates, Alex Hermosi, and even Elon Musk have told me. And now, business owners like you, such as real estate investors, wholesalers, agency owners, recruiters, real estate agents, roofers, any business whatsoever, even a cleaning business, can use this to 3x to 10x their business without having to let go of anyone in your company and doing everything yourself. You're gonna be doing now things better, faster, and easier. We will be taking some specific tactics to a next level so that it helps your business scale up. If you're new to my channel, my name is Esteban Andrade and I run a multiple seven-figure agency that help real estate entrepreneurs make more money and also create great teams. You can help a lot of people and me by subscribing to this channel, hitting that like button, and giving me a comment if at the end of the video you liked it and got some value out of this. 2023 will be the year of change. In recent days, there has been a boom on social media and the entire internet is talking about artificial intelligence. Are robots invading us? Are they starting to replace us? Don't worry, fortunately, artificial intelligence has not reached the point how Hollywood shows apocalyptic movies where the robots and all these androids are taking over humans. I don't think this will happen anytime soon. And the truth is that for 2023, AI will become the ideal tool for making people's lives easier, including entrepreneurs and their small businesses. Even large businesses will have a great impact. And if you think that this is going to replace your job or this is going to replace your business, you have to be scared of not being able to use it correctly. I've been talking with 7-figure, 8-figure, and 9-figure business owners and entrepreneurs that will help you scale your business. And I'm going to be sharing everything. I'm going all in, so you won't want to miss out on this. Going back to the iRobot invasion, yes, I'm not the only one that is saying this. It has also been said by the world's top business leaders such as Bill Gates, one of the most influential billionaires and co-founder of Microsoft. My good friend Bill Gates predicts that the next big technological revolution will be AI since the internet boom in the 2000s. Can you guess what this will be? Artificial intelligence is now booming with a few tools that I'm going to cover and how I exactly did this in order to put a lot of content together in under 30 minutes that made me $3,500. But how can we use it? So today, I'm recommending a few platforms that will blow your mind and that will surely be of great help when you have creative moments. Whenever you're in the shower, whenever you're in the car, whenever you're in the gym, you start imagining things and how to do things easier, faster. The only thing that you have to use is your phone, your laptop, and just some creative moments where you plug and play a few prompts, and this will do almost everything that you want them to do. I've used these tools to maximize my productivity and team's efficiency. I can't wait to share what I've done with you in a separate video going more in detail. But here, let's go and cover the first one. The first one is obviously ChatGPT. Everyone in social media is going crazy about it, but the truth is that not everyone knows how to use it. I've recently finished creating a standard operating procedure or an SOP to create a blog post for our agency and our real estate investing business using my knowledge plus ChatGPT. An SOP will usually look something like this, where it's a tool that helps you go from step 1 all the way to step 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, whatever steps a specific process will have. So I created a process where it's easy to understand and how to create a blog post. And guys, this does not mean that I will be firing my copywriter just because we've been able to create 50 blog ideas, 16 catchy and eye-stopping headlines, a beautiful and attention-grabbing images, and full 1500 words blog post with the skills of the most advanced and best copywriters in the world in just less than 30 minutes. I'm not firing anyone. Even though this bot just recently did something amazing in just 30 minutes that it will need a human to actually go through hours of work, I'm not going to fire anyone here. However, using ChatGPT and the following tool that I'll be sharing pretty soon has allowed me to create better systems and processes through SOPs, better text messages to re-engage with our prospects, such as real estate investors and motivated sellers, to get them to work for us because they are in our pipeline, faster scripts to create videos like this one, build entire websites and landing pages, including their ad copies and their whole creatives. And all of this makes us a lot of money. For example, one of our prospects recently paid us close to $3,500 just by improving our reactivation text copy, or this is also known as a reoffer or re-engagement marketing, where we're basically remarketing to these people that already live in our pipeline. So imagine we have an entire list of prospects that have already came in because they've given us their information through a lead form, through some sort of opt-in, through the ads, or they've had a conversation with my team, and we are sending them a re-offer campaign, which is a text message that is saying something like, hey, I'm testing out something new here where I'm going to be needing 5 more prospects. You can call it real estate investors. So for example, 5 more real estate investors that are looking to add 2 to 3 properties under contract every single month. And it will also help you cash flow quicker. And that will also help you guarantee that you're going to get 3 properties closed or you don't pay. Does that sound like a good copy? So if that's a good offer that ultimately can work for your business, and you can also do the exact same thing for your specific prospect, your potential client, then it's something that you can actually do in order to re-engage. But the cool thing is that you can actually tell ChatGPT to give you multiple variations of the first text message that you're going to use to reactivate and do a re-offer campaign for your specific pipeline. And you can tell ChatGPT, give me 10 different variations that I can send on 10 different weeks so that it's completely different. It sounds completely different every single time. It has a very similar offer, or if you are needing to create different offers, you can also consult with ChatGPT, your marketing trainer or mentor, in order to incorporate different type of offers to this copywriting that ChatGPT is actually doing for you. You can actually tell ChatGPT to include curiosity, to include scarcity, urgency, make the text funny, add some humor, or insert a call to action that is going to grab your prospect's attention so that they respond to the text message. And after they respond to the text message, you're going to get a notification back, or you're going to respond back, call them, and then continue the conversation to make sure that you can actually onboard them into your company so that you start working together. Cool, right? You can do this and much more with ChatGPT. I'll be sharing the exact video on how I improved the text of our marketing to make $3,500 in just less than 1 hour. The second is going to blow your mind. It's called Midjourney, a tool that turns ideas into images in just seconds, instantly, immediately. But not just any images, but realistic designs that at first glance would be from a professional designer. And you can use this for different marketing materials such as emails, creatives for your ads, creatives for your YouTube channel, your blog post, your LinkedIn articles, any type of Twitter that you're doing, or any presentation that requires any type of creative that you want to show something different for your audience. For example, if you have a t-shirt business, you can recreate ideas for a new line of t-shirts or create mock-ups of t-shirts so you can see how your designs will look. For example, I am wearing this design right now that it's Colombia, not Colombia. So you can actually tell Midjourney, create different designs of this exact type of replica or this model, and give me different things that will make my specific audience purchase it. You can tell them your type of audience, maybe it's younger generation, older generation, you want it to be colorful, or maybe you just want it to be super simplistic, very optimized for your specific audience. In my case, I was able to generate images that would perfectly fit our blog and emails that we are sending out. Apart from playing with it to make my business partner look like a funny guy using his pictures, I inserted some muscles, inserted some tattoos, I put some hair on him, improved the way that he looked. You can do much more than just playing around with it. Artificial intelligence will be the tool that will revolutionize people's daily lives in 2023, and you will have the privilege of being part of the new technology revolution. Hear me out. It's called the new technology revolution. If you have not noticed, a lot of people like 40 years old, 50 years old, 60 years old that have had businesses for a while are now going to give their sons, their daughters, their children the business businesses, and these people are younger generation, Gen X, Gen Z, that will take over and will implement technology like no one has ever actually implemented before. This will be for brick and mortar businesses, traditional businesses, or any businesses that when you join technology together, it will explode. Want to learn more about artificial intelligence? Here are a few other tools that we use daily for our business. First one is going to be Descript. This app literally helps you turn videos into text within seconds or minutes, and then helps you edit any video by playing with its text. So for example, if you need to remove the fuck ups that you do while recording, you can just remove it fast and even tell the app to remove all the silent moments, the ums, the ams, the right, the ah, and so on. And you can actually tell it by just removing the text of it. If you don't know about this tool, I'm leaving the link of it in the comment and description of this video. This app is one of the ones that we currently use to help our video designer and podcast editor turn all our audio and video chit chat into actual writing. And after that, we turn all of that and turn it into lessons for our internal team. Now, think about that. Let's say you just finished a podcast episode and you want to turn that video episode into writing. You do that with Descript, then you take the entire thing, you can start chopping it up, optimizing it, making it look better, but you can also tell ChatGPT to turn all this text into a summary, and then the summary, you can actually turn it into different marketing materials. This could be Facebook posts, it could be Twitter posts. You can also tell ChatGPT to turn all of this into a blog post, into an Indeed article, or something that will help your SEO growth and your brand. You can also tell ChatGPT to give you scripts to do Reels, TikToks, or YouTube videos like this one. But if you're too worried that thing that you write will just sound too robotic and just look way too AI-ish, then you can use originality.ai. And when you use originality.ai, which is another tool, I'm leaving that link in the comments below, you will use it and you can take everything that you have created using ChatGPT and you can check how AI-ish it sounds or check against plagiarism. So when you go to originality.ai, you put your text and you ask the tool, is this looking way too AI-ish? Then the tool is going to tell you it has a specific percentage of how AI it actually looks like, or whether you are plagiarizing someone or not. So if we're finishing a blog post, an email or marketing message, or an entire website copy, the last few steps will be checking against AI content and then asking ChatGPT to rehumanize the content even more so that it passes that last checkpoint, or just do a quality control by tweaking it for originality. If you're a real estate investor, wholesaler, or real estate entrepreneur, this is one of the biggest opportunities to maximize the way that you get clients, to get more deals, sell more deals, differentiate yourself from your competition, and also use this to build your brand within the industry. In fact, this applies to any business owner, entrepreneur, digital nomad, salesperson, and even if you hold a regular job and want to level up in your job in 2023, you will show up to your boss, to your entire team, and to yourself as a freaking AI master, and you will be able to take your job to the next level, making it easier, faster, create more, or show up as an A player. For more videos like this one, follow me, subscribe, and hit that like button very nicely.